Tita Eva, where's the way? Right or left? Saan ba talaga? Tingnan mo yung mama mo. Doon daw. Come on. Oh, doon daw. Come on.
I'm getting this 100 packs, maybe this. Tao po. Nah. Like, they're gonna be like, who am I?
Sige.
So, nabigay na po, guys.
Where are we going, guys?
I don't know, guys.
To Eva's house.
Who's that, da? Sino si Eva?
Sino si Eva?
Sa ano? Sa story. At asawa niya si Adan. And happy birthday.
How many subscriber na, Marian and Jude?
Only 100.
Vlogs 120 or...
Oh, guys, I forgot to say thank you for the 1,000 na.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
How about to Ate Gab and... Oh, 100. Clap, 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 guys. More subscriber to
Our
come.
hands are full, mommy. We cannot clap.
Oh, you cannot clap.
Wait.
And also, Jude cannot clap. Guys, wala silang energy, guys. Hurry up.
Ay! Oh, mommy.
Ayan na. And
That's one not enough. And that's the one how about that?
oh, thank you.
So, walk pa in the house, guys. Guys. Who's there? Wala. Saan kaya ice candy? And then say, ice candy. Like that, right? Your vlog, no?
Ay. Thank you. Wow.
Hi guys! So today, we are gonna deliver that dying. It's a kind of fish. Yes, and it looks like skeleton for me, guys. And I'm gonna look. I don't know, guys, which one it is, guys. Which one it is? I'll just get one of these, like that. Is it like that? Yeah. I just walked it, guys. Just walking up here. I don't know which house it is, guys. Which one was it, guys? I'm gonna turn it. Am I gonna turn it? Am I gonna turn it? Where?
Yeah.
Where?
Try this.
This one?
Yeah.
How much, mommy?
3 pieces, 120. Go. Wow.
Yeah, that's your mommy. What's
Knock,
that?
knock. 3 pieces, 120.
3 pieces, 120.
You have it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po. Patay mo ta. Nag-aan siya, titin. Yes, ma'am. Thank you po. Gusto niya nagtitinda. Oo. Thank you po. Uh-huh. Put it in your bag. Yeah.
How many pieces?
6 pieces. Oo, tilapia. Say.
Second.
Yeah. Thank you po. Ay, 6 pieces po. Tumatagal po ng tubig sa akin kasi hanggat hindi ko pa po nako-consume. Usually po pag dry goods naman po, hindi naman po siya ano. Oo. Thank you po. You call them. Angel, knock knock. Ay,
Kick Manong the door, guys.
no. 3 pieces, 120. Uy, mamayad ka na. Maka-vlog yan, agida ka. Maglako na kami muping daing. Yes? Oh. Yeah, sebi pa naman. Kaya nga, sebi pa naman. You choose naman, Auntie Irene. This one na lang? Why? 3 pieces for 120? What do you think? 3 pesos? Yes, 3 pieces. Oh, yes. Ay, wow, may bag si Aika. Yes, sumura talaga. From Bataan pa that. Oh. Hoy, mamayad ka, Irene. Yes, mura talaga. Karakan mo pera, 1,000?
I don't know how many,
Yeah. Wow.
there's more.
Yeah.
There's more.
Yeah, you put it in your belt bag, the money. There's the money of Auntie Irene. Francia! No, you put it first in your bag. Come on.
My cigarette bag under my shirt, guys. Hi, hello, people. That's not my name right now. Guys, for the lunch.
Do you have lots of money, baby? May I see? May I see? Can I see it? Wow. Okay.
Put everything in the
Okay.
outside
Where's
bag.
the next destination? Come on. Next customer. Come on.
Who's the one we're gonna do it? This?
Don't run.
Who's like this is not my guess. Guys, holding na lang, guys. Hello, Daddy. Bye-bye.
Go. Don't make noise, ha? Yes. Put it in your bag, ha? Uh-uh. Yes. Put it in your bag, ha? 2, 3. Thank you.